Been a while since I hit the trails. Nothing like it though. Refreshing, invigorating. Got the water right over. Can't really see it, but the water's right there. Oh, it feels good in there. Got the water right there. Oh, praise due to the Creator. Oh, this feels good. Got the trees. Got the trees up there. That one look like there's nothing on that tree. I don't think that's a good sign. Oh man, it's been a minute since I hit the trails. And this one, it's not even that far from the crib. Oh, I feel good with the trees. Oh, dark. Nothing like hitting the trails. Nothing like walking in nature, meditating in nature, thinking about, who knows what, or sometimes you get out here and just have that talk with God, thanking God for everything and whatnot. Uh-oh, walked into a spider web. Boy, this is really naturey. Stop a little bit. This is really, really naturey. Guess that's construction in the background. Oh, it feels good. So out here, technically outside it's about 92, but in here it's probably about 80, 88, 87 degrees. So it's definitely bearable. Oh, wow. Feels good to hit the trails. Got a lady got a butterflies. You can see the different tree species. It kind of changes. I don't know what kind of tree that is. But you can tell it's different. That one right there versus like right here. Boy, this is just really, really greenery, really, really natural. Pretty good walking trail though, so it's always a good thing. And you're gonna put the phone down and do a little enjoying. Oh, butterfly, wow. Do a little enjoying. Peace, guys.